Hey everybody, it's Karen.
It's Stephanie.
With Food and Family. Mardi Gras season is almost here. And March 4th is Fat Tuesday, so we wanted to show you a dish, a sandwich that we dearly love. And it's called a Muffuletta. And I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. Yes. And do y'all know I'm going to tell you maybe useless information, but that's okay. The Muffaletta originated, and I'm sure a lot of you know this, at Central Grocery in New Orleans. And they're still in operation today. And they opened, I forget the date, was it early 1900s, 1920s? And they're still in operation today, and they serve this sandwich. Now, they serve it on the round bread. Sadly, I couldn't find the round bread. But you can get the whole, you can get a half, or you can get quarters. And trust me, when I say a quarter, it's more than anybody can eat. It is huge. Plus, it's thick with meat and cheeses. So we're going to show you our version today of the Muffaletta. And we're using ciabatta bread. So we'll get to that in a minute. But we need an olive salad to go. That's kind of the distinction in a Muffaletta.
You can't have a Muffaletta without olive salad.
Yeah, and this is something they created there, the owner. So we're going to chop these olives up. So, and you want them diced. You don't want too huge. Nah, you don't want them like pulverized either. So I wouldn't do it in a food processor unless you just stood there and carefully pulse. But yeah, to me, the most important tool in my kitchen is my knife. So I use that. And it's so easy to chop them up. So give me just a second. Let me get this done. Okay, so I'm almost done with these olives, Stephanie. Do you want to take, and let's put, I went ahead and bought a Giardiniera that's already crushed, chopped up. And if you can't find one that's already diced up, just buy your Giardiniera. It's cauliflower, carrots, celery, just all kind of good veggies. And you can dice it up yourself, but I saw that and I thought, we'll try that. I would put about half of that, but we want that oil.
Half of what?
That jar. But we want that oil in there because that's what's going to soak in this bread and make it so good. Now, don't drain it off. So, can you see how well I have chopped these olives? Can you see that? Now, we're going to add this to this bowl that she put our Giardiniera in. And we're going to stir it up. Now, give me just a second. Let me wipe my board clean while she stirs that up.
Oh, that smells good.
And we'll be right back. All right, Stephanie has our olive salad put together. Yeah, doesn't that look good? Couldn't you just eat that on the side with, how about a plate of peas, like filled peas or something, and some cornbread and that? I'm happy. And if you're in the South, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I have got a fresh baked loaf of ciabatta bread. I know that's loud, y'all. I got this at the bakery yesterday. And, full of that. Isn't that nice?
Oh, yeah, that's perfect.
So we're going to slice this in half. Be careful, y'all. I want you to see what I'm doing.
You want to half it and then slice it?
I want to do a whole.
Okay.
Lay your hand flat and kind of halfway down the bread.
Use a bread knife. It's got the sawtooth for you to, this way you don't slice your arm open.
Yes, and it'll cut that bread so much better. And be careful. Looky there.
Perfect.
And let's just lay that open. Okay? So now what we're going to start doing is we want some oil. How about let's dip out some oil from there and put it on here. We don't want to take the oil from our salad. Or you've got a spoon. And we're going to put it on that bread, and it's going to soak in. Excuse me. And then we add that olive salad on there, and it's going to soak in. Oh, my goodness. Can you just imagine how good this sandwich is going to be?
And see, and one thing I've started doing at the house is infusing olive oils at the house, and I've got like a basil and an oregano olive oil that I've infused. Wonderful. Which it's also got healthy reasons behind it.
See how she's got that oil on here. So we're going to start laying out our meat. Now, you don't have to do it in any particular order. And we've got, I want a 1/4 pound of Genoa Salami, which is, say, 6 to 8 slices, okay? And we're just going to lay this out. Y'all go to the deli, have them cut it, and you'll be so happy. I bought this. They didn't cut it for me, but I got it in the deli. So, isn't that looking good so far? You smell that salami? I like salami. We might actually put a little bit more. This is sliced thin, and but this is not all we're going to be putting on this sandwich, so...
Yeah, you bet.
Maybe we shouldn't,
no,
right?
You still got some more to go through.
Yes. So we're going to put that, and we have some Deli Ham, and we want the same of the Deli Ham, 1/4 pound, about 4 to 6 slices, and this is large slices here, y'all. So let's lay that out here. Oh, my goodness. Oh, that's the perfect size for this bread, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's do that, and we'll just lay that one right there for good measure. And we've got mortadella. I say mortadella is like a glorified bologna. And y'all, it is so good. Looky here. And the same with this. It's like a 1/4 pound, and it's going to be... about 6 slices, and it's sliced thin. You see how this sandwich is building up.
And we haven't even added the cheese.
No, and we've got 2 cheeses to put on here. And it's coming out to about 8. But you have to remember the size bread I have here.
Yeah.
Too. And so we've got provolone cheese. You want to get out some mozzarella? We're going to be using some whole milk mozzarella. So we've got, it says about 1/8 pound of mozzarella, provolone, and about the same for the mozzarella. And these are, nice slices. So, yeah, I've got to get them apart here. I like that they put that piece of paper between, and it really helps you. Like dealing a deck of cards, isn't it? And we're going to get that on top. Let Stephanie put that mozzarella on there. Looky there. Looky there. And we're going to set all of this aside. All of this meat and cheese, and we have enough left to make another sandwich, except for the bread. Oh, now for the good stuff, Stephanie. This olive salad that she made up. Looky here. And be generous, y'all. Be generous. I tell you that all the time. Don't be skimpy. This is what makes the sandwich. And we want it all over it.
And this is a messy sandwich.
It is a messy sandwich, so don't go in.
But it's delicious.
Thinking you're going to eat this sandwich and stay all clean. Wear a bib if you need to. Tie your napkin around your neck. All right. So let's just finish this last spoon, and we want to make sure we get all of that oil. Y'all. Now, looky here.
Perfect.
Now, if you wanted to, you could wrap this real tight in a plastic wrap and set it aside for a little bit. Do we want to wait that long?
No.
I didn't think so. We're going to use our bread knife and we're going to cut. Y'all, looky here. See, I told you it was going to be messy. Uh-oh. Y'all, look at that sandwich. Oh my goodness. So, all right, Stephanie's going to have that sandwich for us. I can't eat that whole thing.
That's a huge sandwich.
Yes, and see, that's what we were talking about. You get huge portions if you go into the Central Grocery down there. And I think they're in the French Market.
It's right close to the French Market.
Yeah, and they've been there forever. But y'all, look. Look. And some of that oil is seeping out onto our board. I want it to stay in my sandwich. You want to try this? Yep, time to hold the hair back.
Yeah, let me get all this hair out of the way.
Oh,
that's so good.
Stephanie.
Oh, that's so good.
Now,
Really good on the olive and even the mortadella.
the mortadella, and I think it's the mortadella that has a little bit of spice to it.
It's good.
But y'all, imagine as good as this tastes right now, and it is delicious.
Wrap it up and let it sit.
Yes.
Yep.
Imagine how good it's going to be. And y'all see how much we have left. We got this big old sandwich now. When Papa gets in from work tonight, we're going to have this wrapped up in the refrigerator. And we're going to fix it for him. She's going to take some of this to Parker and to Brandon. And they're going to love it.
Parker's got to work today, so that'd be perfect for him.
Yes, wouldn't it? And but he can't eat it where he don't expect him to stay clean. Anyway, we wanted to share this sandwich with you guys because we really do. We like this so much. And we were thinking about Mardi Gras, and this is the first thing that came to mind. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll think about making this sandwich. And don't forget about our cookbooks.
Also in these cookbooks, your Chris's gumbo's in here. The beignets we did last year in there.
Yes. There's some Mardi Gras and stuff in here.
Jambalaya is in there.
Yep, jambalaya, the
so we got
gumbo.
a lot of good Mardi Gras recipes in there already.
Absolutely. So, yeah, I'm glad she brought that up. So we got volume 1 and 2. And I hope y'all think about them. You can go to KarenJonesFoodAndFamily.com, and if you're interested in them, click on the link, and it takes you to the printer, and they ship really quick. So, but anyway, I'm so glad you joined us today, and we enjoy having you with us in our kitchen. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget, hit that notification bell so you'll know when we put out another video. We'll see you soon, everybody.